Hey everybody, it is Monday, the 28th of March. So let's do our do now. How many neutrons are in the nucleus of a potassium ion atom with a mass number of 39? So if you look on your periodic table and you look up potassium, potassium has a mass of 39, but it also has I'm going to come out of this, I'm going to add let's see. I'm going to add a little text box here, and we're going to say it has a mass of 39, but if we look it up, it has a atomic number of 19. So 39 minus 19 is 20. And I'm going to make this a little bigger so y'all can see that. Let's do that right here. All right, and then number 2 says a student drew atomic models of 4 elements. Based on these drawings, which element is the least reactive? So our friend Neon here has a valence electron of 8. Well, 8 is not reactive at all. 7, that's pretty high. 3 and 4 are reactive, but I want the least. So I have reactive, I have a highly reactive, and I have a not reactive. So yes, the best answer is Neon. Okay, so today I'm going to review Unit 7, including the structure of the atom in the periodic table. We can determine the number of valence electrons and reactivities, label elements as metal, nonmetal, and metalloid, and calculate 8-man for an element, and review unit vocab. So how are we going to do that? Well, here's what we're going to do. If you were in class, we worked on this together, and we did it together. We had a 6-minute timer per group. But here's what we're going to do, is you're going to come on over here, and you're going to look in the Unit 7 assignments for the Unit 7 Dcaa structure, I'm sorry, the Unit 7 station review. So if you click on that, you get here, and in here, oh, I don't have it here, but there is a link in here. Let me change classes. Let's just change to first period here. Sorry, friends. So we click on the station review worksheet, and it actually takes you right here to the station review right there. And you have all of these. So here's the station numbers on the sheets. Station 4 is here. Here's the word bank for it. These right here, these next couple are station 5. It actually matches the back. And on here is the sheets that you can do. You can, what you'll do is, this makes a copy. You will simply just fill this in, and then you submit it, and we will grade it. So that's what we're doing today. We're doing that to kind of get us prepped for our Dcaa this week. All right, friends, as always, as I go back to our classes, I want to go back over something, and that in every day we have a recordings of lessons. If you are absent, they're right there. The do nows are in the materials. And if you're not here and you have the chance, we'd really like you to take the Study Island Fun, do the diagnostic test, just to give us an idea of what we need to work on for STAR. As we get gearing up for the STAR thing. Don't forget your digital notebooks are due this Friday, and sorry, they actually due Thursday. So just kind of take a look at that, see where we're at with that. Make sure you've copied everything. If you're like, hey, I don't get anything, all of the slideshows are here. They're not narrated here, but if you click right here, move this little friend up a little. If you are here's the recordings. So this is where you will find today's recording nested. All right, everybody, have a great evening, and I will see you on Tuesday.